Hello, guys. Welcome to day 67 of the 100 Days of Technical Analysis. I am Pelumi, and today I'll be talking about chain link Bitcoin, that is LINKBTC. I'll be doing my analysis on the daily, the 4 hour, and I also check the hourly if there is something worthwhile to talk about. Okay, I'm analyzing Link today because someone specifically asked me to talk about link. So if you also have a coin you want me to talk about, you can drop it in the comment section. Okay, after you've liked and subscribed if you're on YouTube, and all you have to do on Hive is just like the post or vote the post and follow me. Okay, so let's go to where we are now. Let me remove this first. Okay, so when I opened the chart, what I saw was a quick move up and a decline in price. Okay, so this decline in price could be a retest of here or a flag. Okay, so what I saw was that price broke through this resistance here and has not retested it. Okay, so price made it back down here. Of course, it broke and it touched here and price went back up. So what I think this is a downsloping flag, and after which I expect price to continue in its way up. Okay, I expect price to continue in its way up after when it breaks this resistance trend line. Okay, so how did I come about these 2 points? I used my Fibonacci retracement. Let me do it again. I did it here. This area is 38.2 and this area is 50. So I moved it up here, moved it up here. Okay, so this area is my 61 and this area is my 50. Okay, so I decided to, since this area has proven to be a strong point, this same area was 38 on this when I drew from here, and this same area is about 50 now. So I drew a resistance here and I drew here the 61. So I'll be leaving this trade if price closes below here. Okay, I'll be leaving this trade if price closes below wow, so huge. This 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll be closing if price closes below 110,926 sats. Please look at the figures. Okay, so of course I'll be expecting price to break here since it is a flag. I've mentioned the flags it's usually half staff pattern. So once price breaks above, I'll be expecting price to get here at the very least. Oh, what's that? What happened to my chart? Oh, I'm expecting price to get here at the very least. Okay, and I can use here as take profit too. Okay, so I'll be moving to the 4 hour time frame now. Oh, okay, let me check. Price closes above here. What is this? Um, price closes. Oh, if price closes above here, above outside this trend line, I'll be hoping to take about 26%. I mean 28% on first TP and close to 40% on second TP. Second TP is 180,810 sats, while my first TP is 167,561 sats. I'll be open to put my stop loss just below this zone. That's about 17% loss if it goes wrong, and that's about 107,690 sats. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour time frame now. Okay, in the 4 hour time frame, I think we have a clearer picture. Okay, this is a little bit bigger. Okay, so when I first did analysis on Link a few weeks ago, I um I saw something like this on Twitter. Someone painted this as left shoulder, head, and was expecting price to get back here so it could short Link, but price didn't get there. Okay, but I believe this is a complex um head and shoulder formation, of which the neckline is diagonal or something like this. It's not straight like the conventional head and shoulder, and then the shoulders are not well aligned, but they are usually close. Okay, so if this were to be an head and shoulder and it's closed here, and it's confirmed here, it already the supports after which it went back up. It means it didn't play out correctly. Okay, so currently now, here is where we are with price. We saw an evening star which didn't play out correctly. Well, okay, price came down a little, but this is not usually how an evening star plays out. We have the same thing here. Didn't play out well too because price didn't really go down. Probably because it is on a support area. Okay, so what I'm expecting now is price to break this um, resistance trend line. So I bet once price closes above 131,398 sats, I'll buy this and expect to take my profit on first TP or second TP. Can scale out or take a profit on TP1. It all depends on you. Okay, so there's a possibility we have another evening star here, but I doubt it will play out. This is going to be the third time in a row that it is forming and it's not playing out. Okay, so let's check what's going on the hourly. Wow, where are you going to? Okay, on the hourly, this is one of the reasons I don't like using 1 hour for my entry, since I draw my trend lines on the daily. I can be trapped if I use 1 hour for my entry, because usually the entries, I can see the entries when price breaks above my trend line. So let's assume I bought when price broke here on the 1 hour time frame and price has been moving down. It's what helped me get a good entry. Okay, that's the major reason I use 4 hour for my entry. Okay, so here now, I what if I do something like this? Okay, like this, we have a new formation. This is a descending triangle, and descending triangle, according to our textbooks, always break out downward. But we are not reading textbooks. Textbook is just to give us idea and overview of what happens most of the time. So I'm not going to um just say that this is going to break out downwards, as I am not sure. I need it to break out from here and here also before I am certain that it is going to go downwards. But I doubt it will go downwards because we have a support here, we have another one here. So I believe the best place for it to go is up. Okay. Wow, I already used 10 minutes. So I believe the best place for this to go is up. All right. Hula. My longest video yet. Uh, all right. Thank you all for coming around for the 67 of the 100 days of technical analysis. Do have a wonderful day and see you all tomorrow.